you ready to witness the mind-blowing fusion of fashion and cutting-edge technology? Welcome to Paris Fashion Week, where the world of 3D printing has strutted its way onto the runway. Today we're unveiling 5 jaw-dropping 3D printed shoes that have left fashionistas and tech enthusiasts in awe. So buckle up and let's explore these incredible creations that are revolutionizing the fashion industry as we know it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest fashion and technology trends. You know, it's amazing how sportswear companies have really led the charge in embracing 3D printing technology in the fashion world. But it's not just them. Remember when Dutch designer Iris van Herpen teamed up with Rem de Koolhaas in 2013 to create those stunning 3D printed shoes for the Couture runway? That was truly a game changer. Since 2013, big names in sportswear like Nike and Adidas have been using 3D printing to make highly customized and precise football boot studs. And let's not forget about Under Armour, which joined the 3D printed shoe revolution with its own innovative lattice-sole trainers. At first, many shoe companies, even high-end labels, were a bit skeptical about incorporating 3D printing into their production process, but now they're seeing the incredible benefits it can offer. In a recent interview with Design HP, which made a pair of 3D printed shoes with the Dutch brand Haute and Reebok, talked about how the speed and flexibility of product development and the limitless freedom of the design process are some of the biggest benefits of this new technology. It's so fascinating to see how 3D printing is transforming the way we think about fashion and design, isn't it? You wouldn't believe the incredible designs showcased at Paris Fashion Week recently. There were 5 pairs of shoes with 3D printed components that really caught everyone's attention. One of them was the Carlo by Dior. Imagine gorgeous models walking down the runway in these black derbies with a mesmerizing lattice design and the famous Dior name engraved on the bottoms. I mean, how fabulous is that? What's even more fascinating is the process behind creating these shoes. Dior's designers began by scanning a classic Carlo shoe, turning it into a digital shape, which they then expertly modified. It took around 12 hours to 3D print, clean, and polish the shoe, removing any remaining white powder. The brand shared all these intricate details in a captivating video. And you know what's even better? Dior claims that 80% of the shoes can be recycled and repurposed once the tongue, insole, and laces are removed. Now that's what I call combining cutting-edge style with sustainability. Number 2, introducing the Rains and Zellerfeld puffer boot, a fusion of style and comfort. Have you heard about the latest sensation in footwear? Danish label Rains joined forces with German 3D printed footwear company Zellerfeld to showcase their first ever 3D printed shoe at the Theatre du Châtelet Auditorium during Paris Fashion Week. Let me tell you about the Rains and the Zellerfeld puffer boot. This shoe is a true masterpiece, featuring a high platform and a bold, chunky design, but don't let its appearance deceive you. These boots are incredibly comfortable and easy to move in, making them the perfect blend of style and practicality. What's even more striking is how the shoes seamlessly complement Rain's apparel line. The collection had a lot of big shapes and puffy coats, and the puffer boot fit right in. It was a great example of how form and function can work well together. If you're looking for a standout pair of shoes that don't compromise on comfort, the Rains and Zellerfeld puffer boot might just be your perfect match. Number 3, sneaker collaboration between Reebok and Haute, powered by HP. Friends, what about wearing sneakers that are based on a mythical sea creature? Let's take a look at these colorful, eye-catching shoes that allegedly took their design cues from a sea snail, a creature that the Greek goddess Venus allegedly used to comb her luscious locks. Dutch brand Haute and American sportswear giant Reebok worked together on these amazing sneakers. They used cutting-edge computational algorithms and HP's multi-jet fusion 3D printer to make them. The best part? The whole process only took 15 days, which shows how powerful and useful 3D printing technology is. Constructed entirely from thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU), these sneakers are not only comfortable but durable as well. Haute finished off the designs by hand-painting them in a variety of Caribbean-inspired colors, making them truly unique and eye-catching pairs of shoes. So if you're in the market for a conversation-starting pair of sneakers with a hint of mythology and a splash of vivid color, look no further than this incredible collaboration between Reebok and Haute, brought to life by the power of HP's 3D printing technology. Number 4, the Silkroad by Namesake. The latest collection from the Taiwanese fashion label Namesake is called the Silkroad. It shows a lot of creativity and care for detail. One of the standout features of this collection is the use of 3D printing technology to create lattice bottoms for their boots and heels. Carbon, a company that is a pioneer in 3D printing technology, made this engineering feat possible. The leather uppers and 3D printed lattice bottoms are both stylish and useful, which shows how much Namesake cares about combining form and function. Namesake has put together a collection of athletic clothes that go with the shoes, such as loose pants and basketball hats. These pieces give the collection a touch of sporty elegance and show how versatile Namesake's style can be. Also, the Silkroad collection has oversized jackets, miniskirts, and crop tops to pay homage to Y2K fashion trends. This collection's ability to bring together different styles and trends is a reflection of the thoughtful and intentional approach that Namesake takes with their designs. Number 5. KidSuper and Zellerfeld. Step into the world of high fashion with the latest release from the American label KidSuper. These beautiful blue sneakers were just shown for the first time at Paris Fashion Week. Their unique design and creative use of materials got everyone's attention in the fashion world. These shoes don't have laces because they are made of layers of thermoplastic polyurethane. They have a rubbery texture that is both durable and comfortable to wear. The knit-like texture was made with digital knitting technology, which gives the design a touch of sophistication. But it's not just the materials that make these shoes special. The lengthened arch design gives them a professional and elegant look, making them the perfect choice for any occasion. Wearing these sneakers is an experience in itself. The soft and springy texture of the material is a delight to the senses, making every step feel like you're walking on air. The vivid blue color adds a bold and striking element to any outfit, making these shoes a must-have for anyone looking to make a statement. With these beautiful sneakers, KidSuper has once again shown how creative and innovative they are when it comes to design. The combination of cutting-edge materials and advanced manufacturing techniques has resulted in a shoe that is both beautiful and functional. These sneakers are a true work of art and a testament to the talent of the designers at KidSuper. Revolutionizing footwear, Adidas and Materialise bring personalized 3D printed shoes to life. Imagine being able to walk into a store, run on a treadmill for a few minutes, and leave with a pair of 3D printed shoes customized just for you. That's the goal of Adidas 3D printed midsole. It aims to give runners the best possible experience for making a carbon copy of their own footprint that is flexible and breathable and fits their curves and pressure points. And when you combine this with the current data sourcing and foot scan technology, you open up a whole new world of instant in-store fittings. As Eric Leidke, a member of Adidas AG Executive Board, puts it, Futurecraft 3D is a statement of intent. They've used a unique blend of process and material in an entirely new way, allowing them to create truly personalized experiences for athletes with their 3D printed midsole. This innovation also helps make them fantastic running shoes. Materialise, a company that makes 3D printers, worked with Adidas to make the midsole of the Futurecraft 3D sneaker lighter. Working alongside Materialise 3 Matic, their design and engineering teams were able to enhance the midsole's flexibility without compromising rigidity or strength. Next, Materialise certified production process was used to laser sinter TPU midsoles. This was the first time a durable, fully flexible 3D printing material was used in a consumer product. Materialise Streamix, a software for automating and controlling additive manufacturing, gave a full picture of the whole production process. This made sure that the process could be tracked and repeated, which is important for consumer goods. Materialise Harits Elixpuru, who was in charge of coordinating the partnership, said that the project was a great chance to show off their certified manufacturing process. Materialise full set of services, which includes software, rapid prototyping, and manufacturing, was a key part of Futurecraft's success. What exciting possibilities do you think the future holds for personalized 3D printed footwear and its impact on athletes' performance? What do you think? What exciting possibilities do you think the future holds for personalized 3D printed footwear and its impact on athletes' performance? Please let us know in the comments section below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching!